Everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 25 December, Monday 2023. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 8, number 29, number 30, number 40, number 45, number 48. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 8, number 29, number 30, number 40, number 45, number 48. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 4, number 5, number 16, number 17, number 39, number 41. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 4, number 5, number 16, number 39, number 41. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers: number 3, number 10, number 42 or number 44. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 3, number 10, number 42, number 44. Today tea time prediction for 25 December, Monday 2023. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 3, number 12, number 19, number 31, number 46, number 47. Today tea time single prediction number repeat: number 3, number 12, number 19, number 31, number 46, number 47. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 8, number 15, number 17, number 33, number 41, number 49. Today tea time second prediction number repeat: number 8, number 15, number 17, number 33, number 41, number 49. Now tea time booster balls numbers: number 36 or number 39 or number 44 or number 46. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 36, number 39, number 44, number 46. So friends, complete today tea time and lunch time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell.